We need a strong health secretary as we come through the pandemic, but obviously there's huge questions still to answer. If anybody thinks that the resignation of Matt Hancock is the end of the issue, I think they're wrong. And I think the incoming health secretary and the Prime Minister now have serious questions to answer about the CCTV, about the access, the passes, the contracts, etc. So the resignation is far from the end of the matter. Well, what we've seen today already, I'm afraid, is confusion, because the incoming health secretary said he wants to open up as quickly as possible. The government's now rode back on that. The single biggest threat to us opening up as quickly as possible are the government's inaction at the borders. So I don't think it's inspired confidence that already in day one there's been the health secretary saying his position this morning and then the government rowing back on it. Matt Hancock was right to resign because he broke the rules. He had to go. But the Prime Minister should have sacked him. Yet again, Boris Johnson was too slow, too weak, and didn't show the leadership that was needed. And when the many people who've made huge sacrifices during this pandemic see this, what they see is one rule for them and another rule for those close to government. And there is a lack of integrity at the heart of government. And it starts with Boris Johnson, I'm afraid.